The Enclosure Acts. These were acts by Parliament to enclose common land and open fields. These forced many farmers to be evicted, and their eviction allowed for the wealthier farmers to redistribute the land in their own favor.
The Jethro Tull machine. It allowed farmers to plant rows of seeds at the same time. Prior to this, farmers had to plant the seeds by hand. This limited the waste of seeds and increased the yield. This was the capitalistic answer for the time. The owner created this machine and sold it to farmers for financial gain.
There are many benefits to crop rotation. The benefits are it replenishes the nutrient level in the soil, thus increasing the yield. It reduces pest buildup, which thus prevents diseases.
In this case, with crop rotation, carrots would grow year 1 or some other crop. Year 2 would be a different crop. Year 3 mostly would be a different crop, but occasionally could have been the same crop. Then by year 4, it'd be a different crop. As you can see, the nutrition levels are rising within the soil.
Why Great Britain? First industrialized nation, building factories, canals, and other mechanisms that helped the Industrial Revolution, as well as the Agricultural Revolution.
The time for coal and iron. Coal, during this time, powered the steam engine, which was used to power trains. And iron was important, especially to the trains, because it was used for creation of pipes or rails for railroads. And without iron, you can't make the railroads, and where will the trains ride?
The hand loom weaver and the
Wool and the UK's 1721 law. This law banned printed cotton to protect the wool industry. It also prohibited the sale of cotton while promoting the sale of wool. The historical lesson to be learned was that the government will undermine an industry, especially if the former product is more beneficial.
The hand loom weaver came out and new textile industries emerged. These new industries provided faster production with less error.
Start railroads.
Railroads and the steam engine. Railroads exposed all sectors of the society. They allowed for shipping of raw materials, workers, and it was a much faster way to travel than before.
The railways altered time and distance, replaced the use of animals for people to travel, and plus allowed passengers to travel the same distances in faster time.
Railroads can relate to the internet, transforming the world. Both were created to send messages faster over shorter periods of time and over long distances.
The steam engine as a game changer. Inventors used this for financial gain. Moved from the mines indoors to the factories. Traveled goods over long distances. It was faster and more efficient than animals.